Welcome to Spark.Studios, a YouTube channel dedicated to igniting your creativity and nurturing your potential. Today, we delve into the profound concept of systems thinking. We will explore 3 transformative mental frameworks that can revolutionize your approach to problem solving. In a world of rapid change, it is crucial to cultivate strategies for deeper, more conceptual thinking. Systems thinking is a transformative approach to problem-solving and analysis that views issues as part of a larger, interconnected web. It emphasizes understanding the intricate relationships, interactions, and interdependencies among various components within a system, rather than isolating them. Picture yourself examining a jigsaw puzzle. You could scrutinize each piece individually, or you could step back and appreciate how all the pieces interlock to form a cohesive image. This encapsulates the essence of systems thinking. In problem solving, it's about perceiving both the forest and the individual trees, understanding their interactions, and recognizing that altering one element can ripple through the entire ecosystem. Gestalt psychology is guided by Aristotle's timeless insight. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Essentially, our brains actively organize information into a unified whole rather than processing separate parts in isolation. When we apply this to problem solving, the ability to think conceptually and analyze connections between interrelated parts becomes a powerful tool. Next, we will explore 3 mental frameworks to help you grasp systems thinking on a practical level. The first mental framework to delve into is nonlinear thinking. To truly grasp this, we must first explore linear thinking. As the name suggests, linear thinking follows a logical sequence of ideas. Consider the following scenario to illustrate this concept. Imagine you are the mayor of a bustling city, grappling with traffic congestion. With linear thinking, you might approach the problem in a straightforward, step-by-step manner. Your thought process might unfold like this. The city is plagued by severe traffic congestion. First, I will survey commuters to understand their travel habits. Second, I will identify roadblocks and construction patterns within the city. Third, I will estimate the cost of adding lanes to our local bridges. Fourth, I will present this proposal at our quarterly meeting. Notice how this approach follows a linear, step-by-step progression. Now, imagine a non-linear approach where multiple solutions are explored simultaneously. Idea generation here does not follow a rigid path. Instead, it embraces divergent thinking. This approach encourages flexible mindsets and lateral thinking, integrating solutions from seemingly unrelated fields. Let's revisit your city's congestion issue. Addressing this problem with non-linear thinking might look like this. I will collaborate with our top 10 businesses to incentivize remote work programs. I will implement new zoning laws to boost walking and biking to work by 20%. I will expand the number of train lines servicing the city center. I will engage with local airports to learn from their traffic management strategies. I will analyze their strategies and adapt them to our city's needs. Notice how this approach is a non-linear progression in thought processing, contrasting with our initial example. Let's delve into the next mental framework, the Iceberg Model. This model invites us to explore problems by examining them at varying depths. Picture an iceberg. Most of us only see the tip above the water, but beneath the surface lies a vast, hidden structure. This model breaks down into 4 distinct levels of depth. Let's use a real-world example: high employee turnover in a company. Imagine you're in upper management, tasked with uncovering why staff numbers have dropped by 15% in 3 months. The first level is events. Think of this as the tip of the iceberg. In our example, the event is the noticeable resignation of multiple employees over the last quarter. The second level is patterns. Visualize this as the part of the iceberg just below the water's surface. This level reveals patterns, trends, and behaviors that emerge over time. In our turnover example, you and your boss notice most resignations are from 2 specific departments. The third level is structures. Deeper below the surface are the rules, policies, and organizational systems shaping the visible layers. Investigating further, you find these departments have rigid hierarchies and limited promotion opportunities. Their salaries are also below industry standards. The fourth and deepest level is mental models. At the base of the iceberg are deeply held beliefs, assumptions, and values influencing the entire system. These core beliefs dictate each of the aforementioned levels. Concluding our example, you meet with upper management of the two departments. You discover their leadership styles are more bureaucratic than other departments. They believe employees should be grateful for their jobs and not expect growth opportunities. They also think high turnover is normal and don't mind frequent training. By using the Iceberg Model, you uncover critical insights into your company's turnover issue. You now have a comprehensive understanding to present to your superiors. This model not only helps in identifying problems, but also in fostering critical thinking and deeper understanding. The last and final mental framework to explore is bottlenecking. Bottlenecking, within the realm of systems thinking, signifies a critical juncture where the flow of resources, information, or processes is impeded, thereby constraining the overall performance and efficiency of the entire system. Imagine a bottleneck as a point of congestion in a system that restricts overall performance and output. Resources pile up, the system's flow is hindered, and the output is significantly limited. Let's delve into an example to illuminate this concept. Picture yourself as a manager of a restaurant that has seen a 40% increase in customer volume over the last 2 months. The kitchen staff is operating at full capacity, and orders are piling up, leading to customer dissatisfaction. By applying systems thinking, we can pinpoint the bottleneck and devise a solution. You observe the restaurant for a week and gather insightful data. When a customer enters, they are seated, and their order is taken swiftly within 2 minutes. Orders are then brought to the kitchen and placed on a bulletin board in the sequence they were received. On average, it takes 45 minutes for food to reach the customer. You decide to scrutinize the kitchen processes, as it becomes evident that the cooking process is the bottleneck. During your observation, you identify 2 critical bottlenecks. Firstly, the kitchen layout is suboptimal for efficient food preparation. There is insufficient refrigerator storage for pre-prepared food. Previously, the business managed with lower customer volume. However, the surge in customers has necessitated that cooks prepare 20% of orders in real time, adding an extra 10 to 15 minutes per order. Additionally, you discover that nearly half of the orders are for chicken dishes. You have 5 chefs, and they all report a shortage of roasters in the kitchen. While they can quickly prepare vegetable, seafood, and vegan dishes, they often wait for roasters to become available for chicken dishes. This waiting time adds an additional 15 to 20 minutes to the preparation of the restaurant's popular chicken dish. By leveraging the bottleneck framework, you have successfully identified 2 areas for managerial intervention. You decide to invest in larger refrigerators and increase the volume of food preparation. Additionally, you redesign the kitchen to include 4 more roasters, significantly reducing the cooking time for chicken dishes. Through this video, you've been introduced to 3 powerful mental frameworks for problem solving. In an ever-evolving world, expanding your mental toolkit is crucial for staying ahead and fostering innovation. With data streaming at unprecedented speeds, your ability to navigate and solve complex problems is more vital than ever. I hope this video has ignited your curiosity and deepened your understanding of these transformative concepts. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content that challenges your thinking and inspires growth.